Right, happy with how the other side's come out. Now to attack this side. Exactly the same again. Let's give it a real good clean up. Right, I've also popped off the oil level window. Let's see if I can get in there, because it's pretty cruddy on the inside. Gives that a clean. Yes, your oil seal looks okay. So I'll see if I can get that out so you can see the state. Gives that a nice clean up. Right, that's come out a bit cleaner. Couldn't actually get that out, so I just used a piece of rag, a small screwdriver, just cleaned out the inside and just give it a rub down. So that's ready to go back on. Right, so that's all cleaned up and just bolting it back in place. So now hopefully I can see the oil level properly. It's looking a lot cleaner. There we go. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the clean up on this side. Let's do the same as we did on the other side, get the exhaust pipes back in. Right, it's the same as the other side. New gaskets going in. I've already greased up the studs there. Slot that into position. So that's one side in position. Just get this one in. Right, that's the exhaust back in place. So next thing to do is I'll do these crash bar mounts. But that's roughly about it for this side. Obviously I'll fill up with oil. And I think basically I can start, say this bit is done, the other side is done, so I can basically start reassembly, and then it's clean the whole bike. So it is a bit filthy. Alright, first job, so these have come out pretty good. Much better on there. Alright, I'm going to get some fresh bolts because the ones that came out were terrible. Alright, so let's get this in position. Alright, I think that looks quite nice in there. Just get that tightened up, and then I can fit the crash bar. Oh, pleased with that. Freshens it up a little bit. I know you're not going to see it, but last one. Right, that's one side. Basically back together. Oh, I've just got the bracket to put on, which is also dry. Right, there's that bracket done. Right, all I need to do now is fit the other one of these on the other side and the crash bar on the other side. So exactly the same again on this side. Right. And that is done. Pleased with the results. Got done what I needed to get done. As I say, this video probably run quite long, so that's why I ended up splitting it into two, because there was quite a lot to get through and get done. I'm pleased with how that casing's come out. I know you're not going to see it, that's the only thing, but I know it's been done. As I say, all that bit's basically been cleaned, repainted, new exhaust gaskets, new thermostat switch. Obviously we've covered the brake master, the clutch master cylinder, rebuilt, new clutch hose, slave cylinder rebuilt, clutch replaced, springs replaced. So that's quite a lot that's gone in so far. I think I'm just about covering everything. Obviously I've still got oil to put in it and start putting the fairing panels back and give it a wash and then give it a polish, because it is a bit filthy. But for what I wanted to cover, I think for this video, that's just about it. It has come out okay. Right, thanks for joining me on that one. As I say, that was quite a long, in-depth one, so that's why I ended up splitting it into two separate videos with a to be continued in the middle. I find it easier sometimes, else it would just be so long trying to get all the information and the jobs in one small video of 15 odd minutes. So I've done it a couple of times before, so I had to do it on this one as well. But really pleased with how the results have come out. Everything's just gone back nicely, it's cleaned up nice, the clutch is nicely bled through, that was great. So obviously I won't know until I actually do a test ride on it. thermostat switch, obviously, again, I'm not going to know until I can basically get it up to temperature, get it in town, see what happens. But hopefully, fingers crossed, that should cure the issues I've had. So thanks to everybody who I spoke to on forums. Hopefully it'll work, but thank you anyway. Obviously, you know, you put me in the right direction. So, right, so the next episode, I'm going to attempt a dash shelf. I've got the plans for it. I don't know if I can do it. My fabrication is not that brilliant, but as I say, I learn as I go. So we'll see how that comes out. But as I say, I'm going to put the plastics back on and do that off camera. It's been done so many times. Give it a wash, and I'll give it the last job I'll probably do will be give it a buff and polish up, see how well it comes out. But as usual, subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of every video, so please like and subscribe. It is important to me. I am a growing channel. The support I'm getting is phenomenal. It is fantastic. It's more than I could possibly imagine. Links to other videos in top left and top right hand corners, and join me again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.